So how to solve pyramid? We had to look first that this corner piece contains three colors like others. Now we have to collect these three pieces. So we have two green here and one is missing. That might be somewhere like that's here. So we have to get it here. Now this is not the right position, so we will gather it here, right? Hmm. So we got it. Now we have to look what is the color of this side. This is blue. We need here blue and green. So we have to find that blue and green. That's here. So like this comes here. Now we need it here. We got our first layer.